Ladies and gentlemen, we are preparing for takeoff. Please ensure that your seat back and spin table are in the upright position with the armrest down. Your window blind is open. Your seatbelt is securely fastened. All electronic devices are in flight mode. Large electronic devices which cannot be quickly and safely placed in the seat pocket in front of you are switched off and stowed. We remind you that all flights operated by S7 Airlines are non-smoking. In accordance with Russian law, alcohol brought is prohibited. We wish you a pleasant flight. Thank you.
Дамы и господа, на время взлета основное освещение будет выключено. Кнопка включения индивидуального освещения находится на панели над вами.